So it's 12:30 on Monday evening. This is the noise that's been going for an hour. Actually, this is relatively quiet. You can see the flashing lights. And this is some kind of construction work or cleaning work that's been going on in the building right on the northeast corner of Bloor and Church. Now, there's a whole bunch of residences, condos, apartment buildings where people are trying to sleep. But these sons of bitches have been going and going and going, and it doesn't appear that they are going to stop the noise and all that crap. I'm 21 floors up. It is so noisy. We can't close the windows because there's no air conditioning in here. So, you know, great on a Monday night after a long weekend where everybody's trying to sleep. Nobody gives a shit. There's nobody answering any hotlines at the City of Toronto noise abatement. There's nothing. So these assholes need to be made accountable. Again, this is the time, 12:29 a.m. on Tuesday, and I'm trying to watch Steve McQueen and Bullitt, but I can't hear it because of these idiots.